Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Shannon Ashley here, and today I am giving you guys an update on my Starbucks tumbler collection. I also have some of the brand new releases that just dropped, so I'll give you guys a little sneak peek there so you guys can see. But if you guys haven't seen any of my other Starbucks tumbler collection videos, I will link them below. I think I have like 2 or 3 on the channel, but you guys seem to like these and I like sharing my collection too. So without further ado, let's just get started. But remember to like this video if you want to see more like this, and subscribe. Oh yes, and we're also doing a giveaway in this video as well, so make sure you stay tuned to the end to see how you can win a Starbucks cup. Okay, so just for fun, we're gonna go ahead and do the one that matches my shirt. So this is a lavender one that I got, I want to say quite a few. One I got last year. It's super cute. I have so many cups, you guys, that I can literally match into my outfit. So when I saw I had this shirt on, I was like, oh, I definitely need this purple one, and it low-key matches my phone case as well. Next, I'm pretty sure I showed you guys this in the last video too, but this is just this like super gold iridescent one. It's so cute. I can't remember when this one dropped. I wish they would put like the dates at the bottom or something, but I was so excited to get this one. And I can't remember if I got this or my cousin. So me and my cousins are all like Starbucks cup lovers, so like if we see one, we'll get them for each other. This black one right here is my OG favorite. It's the black studded cup, and it's just everything to me. This is like a go-to one that I'll always wear. I say I wear these, but I like drinking my water out of these. I try to get a gallon in. I think a gallon's like 5 to 6 of these a day, so usually I can get like 3 to 4, but I'm working up to that 5th cup. But yeah, this is a classic one in my cup closet. Next, this one isn't like, I'm really more, as you guys will see, I'm really more of like a bedazzled cup lover. So this one's not bedazzled, but I do love zebra, so that's why I have this one. This one came out over the summer. Super psyched to get it. I don't think I got the one that I actually wanted over the summer, but this was super cute. Okay, this is another bedazzled favorite. It's just super silver, very basic. I don't use this one as much just because I like how like clean and crisp it is. So this usually stays in the cup closet, but which is just my pantry, or not my pantry, but like literally a cabinet. But yeah, this is usually, doesn't leave the cup closet. Okay, so these are a little bit more recent, and you'll see how they're like organized. So these are like all my pink and red ones, which have been more recent. I honestly, you guys, when they're all next to each other, I can't remember when I got them, but this is a red one, which I'm pretty sure came out like during the holiday season. So it has the logo here, and sorry about the lighting, I don't know if you guys can fully see the logo. But yeah, super cute. This one doesn't really make it out the cup closet as well, just because I don't wear too much red. Love this. We also have this super iridescent hot pink one. I was so excited when I saw this one. I was like, oh my gosh. I think I've worn this a couple of times. Again, maybe like I do have a like super hot pink phone case, so I will usually like pair those together. But yeah, this is usually stays home. Next, super excited to get this one, and I actually need a pink one phone case to match it. This one as well doesn't always make it out the cup closet either, but I was super excited to get this one. I think I got this one, and I got my cousin one as well. This one I don't believe was in the last haul, so this one is newer, but I just love the pinks. I think they're all just so cute. But we're gonna hold on to this one because I have something exciting to show you guys for this. Going on with pinks, this will forever be a classic. This is the rose gold one, you guys. People are obsessed with this, and I knew they would be. So when I saw this one, I think this was like 2020, I ended up buying 2, and I ended up selling one on Mercari. This is gonna sound crazy, but I ended up selling one on Mercari for like $100, and I probably could have sold it for more, but I was like, okay, this is just excessive. And a part of you feels not bad, but it's like if someone's willing to pay, it's just like, this is that girl. I usually will wear this a lot out of the house, but I just kind of like to keep her, you know, at home because I know it's kind of hard to find. But I think they have recently redropped this one too, so this is a fan fave. Next, we have this hot pink one, which is like super neon, as you guys can see. I don't think I've used this one at all yet. I just love like seeing these next to each other. So they're literally paired in the cup closet next to each other. It's just like that gradient or whatever. But yeah, probably will use this more over the summer. And I think I actually do have a phone case that matches this. So when I pull that out, you know, the bright pink nails or whatever, this will be super cute. Next, we are going to do this Iridescent one. So this one is also new, kind of matches my shirt as well, so super cute. I think this is recent, like 2021, so excited. Yeah, I was wearing this one quite a bit, but not so much anymore. It's been in the cup closet, so love this one. And I think this was just like a regular drop. There wasn't anything like particular about it. There is, okay, so this one, I had to double check myself. Not to be confused with this one that my cousin got me for my birthday. So this one is from Disney World and it's from their 50th year celebration. So I have yet to use this one because it's just so exciting to me, but it's like the Iridescent and the Bedazzled, it's super fun. So these are very kind of similar, but not, but it just it matches my shirt as well. I just love these, but yeah, I don't use this one at all. It's just for fun. Look at them. So that is all like the pink and the reds ones. Now we're gonna go into some older and newer ones. We're gonna stay tuned for that one. This one, someone got one for me over the summer, super cute, and I was super excited and super thankful. It's kind of like this one where like it doesn't have any bedazzled or iridescent, but I love like the see-through part. I think it's so cute. And I believe this one had a green straw, so that was cute. But yeah, this is more of like a summer cup for me, so it's been in the back of the closet. And then this one my cousin got for me as well. It's another Disney one. She just hooks it up for me with the Disney ones. I'm so obsessed. But there's Mickey on the back and then in the front. Not to be confused with this one, but these are both Disney World. This is the last like non-iridescent one. I got this one from West Hollywood one time and I just love like the bright colors in it and the sunglasses. Thought this was super cute, super random buy, but I've just held on to it. I've had quite a few of these ones that I've gotten rid of just because I wasn't obsessed with them, but I don't know, something about this one just makes me smile, so I hold on to it. And yeah, this is more of a summer cup for me. This one I've been using a lot. It is another rose gold one, but it's like the jeweled one, not the bedazzled one, so that's why they were like separate, because this has been in the closet more. But yeah, love these ones. And this one actually has like a bejeweled straw as well. It's a little more bejeweled than this one, so I'd be wearing this one a lot. This one I thought was going to be a lot more popular than it ended up being. It was from the Pride collection. And actually, guys, I have some cups I need to put up for sale for you guys to check out, but I have one of these for sale too. But super rainbow iridescent. It looks really, really cool in the sun. Like you kind of see the sun bouncing off of it right now, but it looks way, way better in the sun. So yeah, love this one. It's just literally in the back of the cup closet though, because I don't know, I just don't really know how I would, you know, rock or wear this one. And then this one I bought on a spur. I think you guys saw this in the last one. I lost the straw though. Another jeweled one. I wish I got the taller one. Sometimes you guys, I like lose hope in thinking that I'm gonna find the big one, so I'll like settle for these ones, but it's super cute. It's just like I need to be able to drink more water and this would slow me down, but this is also just cute if you don't want to carry the tall one. But yeah, soup's cute. And then, okay, this one I'm excited about because it's so cute. I like screamed when I saw this. I recently got this pink one, another pink jeweled one. I feel like it's probably closest, or you think these are similar, but this is like a little more clear and this is more just like straight baby pink. Super cute. So like I just said, sometimes I freak out and I think I'm not gonna find the big one, so I originally bought this small one, which I'm gonna give away to you guys. So comment below and say your favorite cup, and then make sure you guys follow me on Instagram as well. I'll leave my Instagram there for you because that's how I'll try to contact you guys. The winner is on Instagram. But yeah, I'm gonna give this one away. I haven't used it, so I'm just so thankful for all the support you guys have given me for these random videos. So definitely want to give this one away because I was faithful and found the taller one. So yeah, comment below your favorite cup color and as well as your Instagram, so that way I can make sure to contact you. And then if you want, follow me on Instagram to win this pink cup. And then yeah, so this one was super new, like probably Valentine's Day, but I literally just picked it up within a week. So like stay on the hunt for these guys because you can still find them. And next, let's get into these March drops because these were serious. I literally thought that there was no hope for me getting this. I literally posted this picture on my story and I told people, I was like, if you find this, I need you to buy it for me because I need it, I need it, I need it. And I just didn't think I was gonna find it. So originally I went into Starbucks and I found this white one at the Bond Starbucks. And this one I wanted because I wanted the jeweled one that was like this. I don't really like always care for like the square one, but I don't know, this one almost looks purple to me. So that's why I decided to go ahead and get it. See, it kind of matches my shirt, right? So I saw this one first and I was like, okay, I'll just get this one and be content. Then I went to Ralph's and they had so many of these ones. And this is probably the best Starbucks cup I have. Like to add the Mermaid collection or like just the Mermaid vibes. Like this just embodies Starbucks Mermaid doll, everything. Still matches my shirt, love it. I don't know if she's coming out of the cup closet just because she's just so amazing. And I also saw the smaller one too, and I was like, I don't need it, I don't need it, I already have the bigger one. This by far is probably my favorite Starbucks cup so far. And then sometimes we just gotta be a little eco-friendly. So I ended up getting this one as well because I thought that was just so cute. It's like the hands with the trees. And then the best part is actually the sip sustainably part. Like, that's cute. So those are my most recent pickups, you guys. These are probably my new faves. This one for sure. And of course, the Disney one. But yeah, you guys know I love my cup collection. And even when I go into work, people are like, oh, your cup matches your outfit. Like, how crazy is that? And I'm like, if you saw how many cups I have, it's not that crazy. Again, this is probably excessive to some people, but fun to others. So if this is fun, I'd love to see which one that you liked the best for a chance to win this cup. So remember, again, just to comment below saying which cup was your favorite and put your Instagram handle down there. And if you like, follow me on Instagram. And I will announce the winner probably within a week or so of this video going up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I don't know when I'm gonna do another one of these because it takes some time to like accumulate all the cups, and I don't want to just like keep showing you guys the same cups over and over again without like a few new ones. So I think this video we've had like 5 or 6 new ones. I will probably do another one either like when the summer launch comes or maybe like in the fall. So stay tuned for that, but I hope you guys check out some other videos on my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.